So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. And then you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you're going to scroll down till you find video playback. Click on run. Click on this. Wait for this to load. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down. We have three options: open video playback settings, display adapter settings, or I want to continue with this troubleshooter. Let's go with this third option first. Wait for this to load. And then hopefully this will fix your problem. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed. Once you restore your computer, if the problem is still not fixed, you want to head over to search and type in video playback. Click on it. You want to make sure that save network bandwidth for playing video at low resolution has been turned on, and then hopefully that will now fix your problem.